more practice, and if you made your own copy of the Google Slides, you could practice and move these around yourself. I'm just going to pick a few and see if you can tell me the answers. Look at number 3. Angle 2 and angle 7. Angle 2 and angle 7. What are they? 2 and 7. If I take one of these and I drag it, what would I need to circle for number 3? Angle 2 and angle 7. They're on the exterior, and so they're alternate exterior. What about number 5? Number 5. Look at number 5. 6 and 4. Angle 6 and angle 4. Those are consecutive. Interior. Sometimes they leave out that word interior. All right. What about number 7? Angle 4 and angle 5. Angle 4 and angle 5. They are alternate interiors. Alternate interiors. All right. What about number 1? Angle 1 and angle 5. Those are corresponding. It's just quick little, let's check yourself type things. I will go and answer all of these so that if you want to refer to this, you can. Now, this is the next note card. This is note card 138. It's example with angle measures. And sometimes you see M for measure. So the measure of angle 1 is given. It's 105 degrees. And if you have parallel lines like this and you have a transversal, you can find all of the missing angles. All of them. All of them. So now we can find all of the different angles. So I want you to go ahead and get your note card ready, draw this picture, set all of this up, and fill all of the rest of this in. So pause me and do that. Okay, so let's see how you did. We know that angle 1 right here is 105 degrees. So what I like to do is I like to find the corresponding angles. Now, another thing is we know that angle 1 is obtuse, so all of the other obtuse angles will be the same thing as 105 degrees. That's kind of a trick you can always learn and use. So angle 1 corresponds with angle 5. So I know that angle 5 is 105 degrees. Then I go back to the one that's given, angle 1, and I look at vertical angles. Angle 4 is vertical. So in the last lesson, we were reminded that vertical angles are congruent. So I know that angle 4 is also 105 degrees. Then I go to the angle 4 and find its corresponding angle, which is angle 8. Angle 8 is vertical with angle 5, so they better match, and they do. So that's wonderful and groovy. Now, I can find angle 2 because angle 1 and angle 2 are a linear pair. They add to 180 degrees. So I know that angle 2 is 75 degrees. Use this, edit this. Okay, so angle 2 is 75 degrees, and then I'm going to find its corresponding angle. Angle 2 corresponds with angle 6, so it's also 75 degrees. Angle 2 is vertical with angle 3, so angle 3 is also 75 degrees, and that corresponds with angle 7. It all goes together, and it's pretty groovy. And if you look, angle 1 is obtuse, angle 5, angle 1, angle 5, angle 4, and angle 8. 1, 5, 4, and 8. They're all congruent, and they're all 105 degrees. Angle 2 is acute, and so is angle 6 and angle 3 and angle 7. So 2, 3, 6, 7. They're all acute. Pretty cool, huh? I think so. All right, so now we're on to note card 139, which is an example with variables. What value of x will make these lines parallel? Because as you can see, right now the lines are not marked parallel. And in geometry, we cannot just assume. So what value of x will make these lines parallel? Well, these are corresponding angles. So if those corresponding angles are congruent, then we can deduce that the lines are parallel. So since corresponding angles are congruent, I can set these equal 3x plus 5 equal to 65 degrees. And then we just solve. We subtract 5. 3x equals 60. We divide by 3. So x equals 20. And the value of x that will make it happen is 20. So x will need to be 20. Finish up your note card.